Hello everyone. Today, we are going to learn about data classification. There are different types of data, and it's important to classify them correctly. By learning this, we can use data more effectively. First, there are two main types of data: categorical data and numerical data. You might have heard of these before. For example, what are your favorite colors? Please tell me the names of colors like red, blue, green, etc. Please tell me your favorite colors. Thank you. Data like color names are called categorical data. Categorical data is data that is represented by names or labels. Other examples include favorite animals or the names of places you live. Next, can you tell me your heights? For example, 120 centimeter, 130 centimeter, etc. Please tell me your heights. Thank you. Data like heights are called numerical data. Numerical data is data that is represented by numbers. Other examples include weight or the number of people in your family. That's it for today. Next time we'll learn grouping data. Look forward to it.